Connecting a face reader to turnstile. This video shows how to install a face reader on a turnstile. First, open the protective cover and remove the back plate. Then, bring the cables to the protective cover through the mounting pipe. Now, connect the cables to the face reader and fix the face reader on the back plate. Then, put the back plate in position and fix the screws. Lock the protective cover when devices are ready for use. Regular users can clock in using face, finger or proximity card even when the protective cover is locked. But, admin users will have to unlock the protective cover to make configuration changes on the reader.